In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted pages in Confluence. Whether you've accidentally deleted a page or you're just trying to recover some lost information, these steps will guide you through the process of retrieving those deleted pages seamlessly. First, let's start from your Confluence homepage. This is your central hub where you can access everything you need. Once you're there, the next step is to choose the appropriate space. A space in Confluence is essentially a collection of related pages, often used for organizing different projects or teams. So, take a moment to ensure that you're selecting the correct space where the deleted pages might have existed. Now, adjacent to the name of your space, you'll notice three little dots. These dots are your ticket to more options. Clicking on these presents a drop-down menu with a variety of choices. Look through this menu and find the option that says Space Settings. This section is your control center for managing all the aspects of your space. After selecting Space Settings, the interface might seem a bit overwhelming, especially if it's your first time here. But don't worry, you'll want to look for an option labeled Trash. This is where Confluence temporarily holds any pages or content that have been deleted. Think of it as the recycling bin on your computer. It's a safety net, ensuring you can recover items that might have been deleted by mistake. Once you click on Trash, the environment will change to display all the pages that have been recently deleted. It's your lost and found, and you can view a list of all the pages currently held here. You might even find some pages you didn't realize were missing. From this screen, you've got a couple of options. You can review the deleted pages to ensure the content is what you are looking for. If you recognize the page you wish to recover, simply follow the directions to restore it to its original location in your space. In summary, starting from your Confluence homepage, navigating to the specific space, and accessing the trash through Space Settings will allow you to view and manage deleted pages effortlessly, offering you peace of mind and the opportunity to recover any lost information quickly. By following these steps, you can minimize data loss and maintain a complete, organized repository for all your important work within Confluence. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident about retrieving deleted pages in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy collaborating.